Hege Chicken Natural Remedies. You are welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a smoothie that will smooth your face. Smoothie that will smooth your face, yeah, anyhow you can understand it. So this smoothie is gonna clear up your acne, pimples, high pigmentation, and make your skin to glow. If this thing sounds like what you are interested in, just keep on watching. Please watch this video to the end, because I'm gonna tell you guys how to use it at the end of this video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Just hit that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's just dive into the video. I'm going to use here is our beetroot beets. This is rich in antioxidants such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin A, which aids in the regeneration of skin cells. With this awesome package of antioxidants, it helps to maintain the skin and hair health and prevent aging by delaying the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. There's a lot of benefit, guys, in this beet. When you take your beets, often it will clear pimple. It will just, in fact, it contains some of the active compounds that are beneficial to eliminate the toxins that may result in acne from our body. Be very careful with it. Just be very careful before you mess everywhere up for you. So I'm gonna take just 2 of it. Then if you want to do more, you can double everything we are using in this recipe. I'm making some of these 2, and I'll add this one straight to the freezer. Hold it, and I'll set it aside. So the second thing we need in this recipe is our bananas. Bananas prevent water from getting stuck in your body. And because of the sodium, bananas are full of potassium and they perfectly regulate salt levels and therefore reduce bloating. So I'm making use of 2 bananas here. Like I said before, you can go ahead and double it if you want. Just go ahead and double it. If you want to make in a large quantity, go ahead and double everything we are using in this video. This thing gonna clear your skin. It will make your skin to just look like a baby skin, and remove all the wrinkles, everything in your face, and glow your skin. Just give it a try. It's not something that we are just talking about. Just do it. One thing about this thing, when you start taking it today, in next 2 days, even less than, you will start seeing the results. It will just clear. If you have pimple, if you have acne, you will see it will just clear everything. Honestly, just go ahead and give it a try. So right now I'm gonna set it aside. The next thing, the third thing we need for this recipe is our pineapple. Pineapple helps break down the proteins in your system, which help your stomach to process food. But I'm gonna cut the pineapple and add it straight to the. I'm using 1 cup of pineapple. If you have your pineapple juice, you can go ahead and use it. Once it's 100%, you can go ahead and use your pineapple juice. But I don't recommend pineapple, tin pineapple, okay? Fresh pineapple is better than tin pineapple. I will just add it straight to the plate. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Just hit that red button down below, turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, I'm gonna set this aside. So look at what we have here. We have our beets, then banana, these 2 beets, 2 banana, and 1 cup of pineapple. So just go anywhere. There's more thing I'm gonna add to this, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So guys, I'm gonna add my beets, and I'll add my pineapple. Then I'll add my banana. So the next I'm gonna add is our yogurt. I'm using 1.5 fat plain yogurt. So you can go ahead and use your Greek yogurt if you have Greek yogurt. If you don't have, just use your low fat yogurt. It can serve also. this 1.5 that I'm using, as I said, but this 1.5 yogurt contains lactic acid, which aids in healing process of our skin from harmful ingredients. Yogurt can make your skin feel fresh, new, and rid your face of impurity. There's a lot of benefits in yogurt. So right now I'm going to add 1 cup of yogurt. Add 1 cup of water. Then I'll blend. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Just hit that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Right now I'm going to pour it straight to the cup. Wow. I'll just fill my cup too. Guys, this is what you need to clear your skin, to make your skin to glow. This is not a joke, guys. If you have acne, if you have pimple, honestly, go ahead and drink this. Make sure you drink it once a day, at least every day. If you cannot take it twice a day, make sure you drink it every day. I'm assuring you, before 2 days you'll start seeing the result. It will clear the pimple, it will clear the acne, it will make your face to just glow. Honestly, I don't even want to talk much about it. After doing it, you'll still come back and say thank you to me, because I know, I'm very sure of it, because I've tested it. I use it on my own skin and it clears my skin. Just go ahead and try it. So here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Share this video to your friends, to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to share.